So this is all Cabernet.
Oh.
Whoa. And this has been fermenting since Wednesday. You get the color, and right now it's fermenting, lightly fermenting.
Christine and I are headed through the Angeles National Forest on our way to Palmdale to do a wine tasting. On the way back, we're going to hit this sweet trail, and it has an awesome waterfall at the end. So super excited to get the day going.
We're at the Aerospace Walk of Honor. That's it.
Yep.
What do you think of that one?
It's really good.
Whoa, this is so cool!
Now this is started to have oak on it. It's also pressed. Now that's pressed too.
Okay.
I mean, that we press the grapes. Same gorgeous color, but this is probably gonna bite you.
Oh.
Because it's picked younger, there's more acidity. And so if I can make a suggestion, you guys would take that in there.
Okay.
Have her give you 2 more glasses of the current one. Try to side by side.
Okay.
That one's from Southwest Vineyard in the high desert.
Pinot Rosé.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking, we don't know at this point.
It's even, it's a musician by trade, actually.
It's red, it's called red wine.
Red wine.
Red wine, yeah.
My favorite.
It's good.
As you can see,
Awesome. We'll see what you think.
it's a big difference in age here. 15 years, actually.
Pretty good?
But Stephen's actually...
Nice.
Very good,
his first
very
love is
good.
music.
Awesome.
These 4 are safe for my beautiful cab out there. Then I put my yeast in there. So this is all Cabernet.
Oh.
Whoa.
And this has been fermenting since Wednesday. So what we have to do, I just did, we have to just constantly, which is why I keep coming in here, is you have to punch it down. So when you punch it down, you see that the skin's raised to the top. So when you push down, you see all the juice underneath.
Oh, wow.
And you have to continue to do this to get the color out of it. Get the color, and right now it's fermenting, lightly fermenting. And the grapes are shrinking, they're losing their guts.
Yeah,
so to
they're
speak.
small.
And that's cab. My upper body strain's been a lot better.
Oh,
That's awesome. Yeah, you could totally get us to do some labor.
Yeah, he said 3 times a day for each of these 4
Bins, yeah.
bins. That's a lot.
So here's what we'll do. Pardon my fingers.
Yeah, we're fine.
Babe, this is gonna be
Oh man.
Oh, that's so good.
It is so good. I know, I was like, I want to have more.
So we had an amazing day at that winery. Basically, we're running out of daylight, and I don't think we're gonna have time to do this 4-mile hike. So we pulled over just to look at cool stuff, and we hear water. So we're gonna check that out. But I think we're gonna have to wait for the main hike for another day. But we'll see what we get into here. Yeah. Hey,
Water.
we found the water.
You can hear it.
Hi, we're home now. Just wanted to wrap things up because I expected today to be a waterfall hiking vlog with a little bit of winery mixed in. And it turned out to be all winery, which is totally good. That's how we adventure. Went pretty well. And when today started, we didn't know anyone with their name on bottles of wine, and now we do. So very good day.
Yep.
You want to say anything?
Good day, good winery. We had a lot of fun, and we can go back to the hike.
That's true. And the winery.
And the winery, yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Okay.
Bye.